Hi everyone! So today I'm going to make another juice. And this time I have 2 carrots, 3 apples, and 1 beetroot. When you go to the store and you're thinking of making a homemade juice, you have to check that your veggies and fruits are really beautiful, which means it don't have any bad spots like soft. So all you have to do is wash it really good. It's optional. You can peel the apple and also the carrots and this beets. But for me, I'm not gonna peel it because I wash it really good. So here, I'm going to slice this apple into half so it is easy to put in my juicer. With the combination of this, for me, it's really up to you what kind of taste you want. With this, I have 2 carrots, 3 apples, and 1 beets. I figure out that apples will make the juice sweeter, so I decided to have 3 because I want the apple to cover up the taste of these carrots and beets. There are lots of health benefits with this. Pero since si Google is abot kamay naman nating lahat, so kayo nang bahalang mag-research doon. Do your own readings. Ayaw ko lang mag-discuss kung ano yung mga health benefits kasi hindi ako magaling sa mga discussion na ganyan. So, let's get started guys. Let's put this in the juicer and see how it looks like. Right now, I put the beetroots. Okay, I'm done. So I'm gonna put the juice into the glass so you will see what's the color of this combination. So here it is guys. It has some bubbles or some pulp maybe. So if you don't want it, you can use the strainer so you really have in your glass, just really juice. No pulps or anything bubbles like that. Now, ilagay natin siya sa mahiwagang glass para malaman natin yung kulay niya. It's really nice. And here it is, our juice combination: 1 beets, 3 apple, and 2 carrots. Look at the color, it's really beautiful color. So it's time to try. What's the taste? I know already because I did make this yesterday and I really like it. That's why I make again today. Really good. It's sweet. So that's the combination. All you have to do, if you don't like the taste of the carrots juice and beetroots, all you have to do is use more apples, because the apple is sweet and it will cover up the taste. Thank you so much guys for watching.